At Agilis, we know how difficult it is to stay on top of all the issues associated with proximity to the well plan, adjacent wells, lease lines, hard lines, drill lines and formation tops. That's why we made it simple to routinely monitor for all of these types of proximities. In the survey editor and slidesheet editor, you can show columns that display the distance and direction to the closest well, lease line, hard line and drill line at every survey. And you can see exactly how far away you are from the well plan and how far you are above and below the closest formation tops. Visual indicators direct your attention to potential hazards before they become an issue. And if that isn't enough, you can set up audio alarms and have KellyDown send you SMS text messages and email messages in case you miss any of the visual warnings. A real-time quick scan module shows you the direction and relative position of all wells in close proximity, and the KellyDown Visualiser shows you visually in real time how close you are to the well plan, other wells, lease lines and formation tops. At Agilis, we know your projects operate in real time and depend on real-time results. That's why we pride ourselves on providing intelligent, easy-to-use tools so your projects and clients don't delay or suffer.